Hi, it's Professor Haran. Thank you so much for downloading our free printable, which I think is going to be really helpful. It's your Centered Student go-to guide to finals. If you start using this now, you are going to be in great shape and hopefully a little less stressed. Thank you to our wonderful designer of the planner and all of our artwork, Gabriella, who is demonstrating how to put these together. First, if you printed out the landscape, 8.5 by 11, it's very basic. Use the numbers at the top of the pages to put them in order. The last page has study tips. Secure it at the upper left-hand corner, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about if you print it out as the booklet. Here we give a shout out to my amazing niece Madison, who taught us this trick. So cool. Okay, to have a super portable booklet, take the cover sheet, after you print it of course, fold it in half. This is the only sheet that is going to open outward. The back cover are your study tips. Now you take the remaining sheets, folding them in half with a strong crease, but in the booklet version, the first page is called Notes. Now what's going to happen is the remaining pages are folded inward, so the crease side will be facing out, and the open ends will get stapled into the book. I think you're going to really like this trick because I was tickled by it. Okay, so now Gabriella's folding the very first page. Notes. Now, take a look. She's going to put them in order. She's doing them right now. And what you have is the open side of the folded page facing inward, all to the left. Open up your cover, pop in your open-sided pages to the left with the crease to the right, and your booklet is made in perfect order. All you need to do next is look at our PDF on how to fill it out, and you're going to be in great shape.